Helo, Sianed dwi, a dwi'n swyddog y Gymraeg ar gyfer Bwrdd Iechyd Prifysgol Betty Gwelder. I'm Sianed and I'm a Welsh Language Officer for Betty Gwelder University Health Board. Fi bydd yn mynd â chi drwy ymadroddion Cymraeg yr wythnos yma. I'll be taking you through this week's Welsh phrases of the week. And this week we'll be looking at how you can ask someone if they would like a hot or cold drink in Welsh and some of the possible answers. Dach isio, do you want? Dach isio, dach isio. Paned o de, a cup of tea. Paned o de, paned o de. Paned o goffi, a cup of coffee. Paned o goffi, paned o goffi. And then in Welsh, just to confuse you, we've got two different words for milk that are both commonly used in North Wales. Llaeth o Llefrith. Llaeth o Llefrith. Llaeth o Llefrith. Siwgr, sugar. Siwgr, sugar. Siwgr. Diod oer, a cold drink. Diod oer. Diod oer. Dŵr, water. Dŵr, dŵr. Oes os gwelwch yn dda. Yes, please. Oes os gwelwch yn dda. Yes, please. Nac oes, dim diolch. No, thank you. Nac oes, dim diolch. Nac oes, dim diolch. Gai, can I have? Gai. So this is where you'd put whatever drink you'd like. So gai, paned o de. Gai, paned o de. Gai, paned o goffi. Gai, paned o goffi. Gai, llefrith. Or gai, Llaeth, milk. Gai, Llaeth, gai, llefrith. Gai, siwgr. Can I have a sugar? Gai, siwgr. Gai, siwgr. Gai, diod oer, a cold drink. Gai, diod oer. Gai, dŵr. Can I have a water? Gai, dŵr. Felly, please defnyddiwch eich Cymraeg. Please remember to use your Welsh. A little does go a long way. If you'd like to know some more or to learn some more Welsh, please contact our tutor on the email below. Diolch yn fawr. Hwyl.